Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the LG UltraGear 27GS95QE OLED gaming monitor. So friend, the UltraGear 27GS95QE retains the main HE coating, so those hoping for a glossy display are out of luck as well. TFT Central believes that the 27GS95QE is using a new WOLED panel from LG Display that is technically capable of reaching 1300 nits, and but this is currently just speculation. Converting 1200 US dollar to US dollar suggests that MRP is likely 899 USD dollar plus taxes, and friend, it will be $100 cheaper than the old model. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.